Class 10th Geography. Today we shall discuss about multi-purpose river projects and integrated water resources management. Archaeological and historical records show that from ancient times we have been constructing sophisticated hydraulic structures like dams built of stone rubbles, lakes, and canals for irrigations. Today, Today, dams are built not just for irrigation but for electricity generations, water supply for domestic and industrial usage, flood control, recreation, inland navigations, and fish breeding. Dams are now referred to as multi-purpose projects, where the many uses of impounded water are integrated with one another. For examples, in the Satluj Beach River basin, the Bhakra Nangal project water is being used both for tidal power production and irrigation. In recent years, multi-purpose projects and large dams have come under great scrutiny and opposition for a variety of reasons. Dams also fragment rivers, making it difficult for aquatic fauna to migrate, especially for spawning. Multi-purpose projects and large dams have also been the cause of many new environmental movements like the Narmada Bachao Andolan and Tehri Dam Andolan etc. Local people often had to give up their land, livelihood, and their meagre access and control over resources for the greater good of the nation. Irrigation has also changed the cropping pattern of many regions, with farmers shifting to water intensive and commercial crops. This has great ecological consequences like salinization of the soil. As we can see, the dams did create conflicts between people wanting different uses and benefits from the same water resources. As we can see, the dams did create conflict between people wanting different uses and benefits from the same water resources. Interstate water disputes are also becoming common with regard to sharing the cost and benefits of the multi-purpose project. Most of the objections to the project arose due to their failure to achieve the purposes for which they were built. The big dams have mostly been unsuccessful in controlling floods at the time of excessive rainfall. It was also observed that the multipurpose projects induced earthquakes, caused waterborne diseases and pests, and pollution resulting from excessive use of water.